See, number 1 will be sorting, number 2 will be supermarket, number 3 will be material, number 4 translucence, number 5 soluble, 6 smooth, and 7 will be volume. Okay, now let's do the part B. A good example of grouping can be seen in
Supermarket.
yes, the answer is supermarket. So a good example of grouping can be seen in supermarket. If no light can pass through an object, it will be called listen to me properly. Opaque. What you should pronounce? Opaque. It's not opaque. You should say opaque. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And this is the right answer. Very good. Now next one. Frosted glass, turbid water, and dust-laden air. So they are example of translucence. Yes. Next, mustard oil and kerosene are examples of
liquid.
they are invisible because they don't dissolve in each other, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Sugar and common salt are dissolved in normal water. Now number 6. All gases, including air, are conductors of which conductors of heat? Is a bad conductor of heat. Liquids have no definite shape but have a definite
Volume.
yes. Correct answer. I am again showing the result. I am again showing you all the answers. Those who are writing, write it. So good example of grouping, supermarket. Next, if no light can pass through an object, it will be called opaque. Frosted glass, turbid water, and dust-laden air are the examples of translucence. Mustard oil and kerosene are called immiscible liquids. Sugar and common salt, they are dissolved in normal water. All gases, including air, are bad conductors of heat. Liquids have no definite shape but have definite volume. Okay, complete?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's see what we have in the next part. That is the matching. Match the following. Hardness.
Difficult to compress or scratch.
Very good. Difficult to compress or scratch. Density. Density.
Sandpaper.
Density. Volume of a substance. Okay. Luster.
Ma'am, shine of the material.
Shine of a material. Transparent.
The light can pass through an object.
Light can pass through an object. Conductivity.
Good or bad conductor of heat.
Okay, and now texture.
Rough or smooth.
And the last one, rough surface.
Sandpaper.
Sandpaper. And check the answers. Let's see. All the answers are correct. I'm showing you the answer. Now you write it. Hardness, you match hardness with difficult to compress or scratch. Density with volume of a substance. Luster, shine of the material. Transparent with the light can pass through an object. Conductivity, good or bad conductor of heat. Texture, rough or smooth. Rough surface, sandpaper. Complete?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so next question answer, short type question and long type questions are there. But before that, we will do the crossword. Okay, let's see what is written here. F1, a material which allows the light to pass through it. What will it be?
Transparent.
See, here you should write transparent.
Transparent.
Okay, all the boxes are filled.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay. Now let's see what is number 2. Okay. Across we have number 3 actually. It is a gentle shining light that is reflected from a surface. Number
Luster.
Luster.
luster. So L-U-S-T-R-E. All the boxes are filled here.
Yes, ma'am.
Write with me. The students who are writing, you all write with me. It will be luster.
Okay, ma'am. Luster.
Now number 5 across. Materials that allow only some of the light to pass through them.
Translucent.
Translucent.
Ma'am, transparent.
Translucent. Translucent. Trans. Translucent. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
The property is called translucence and the object is called translucent. Okay, you see? So there is a little bit difference in the pronunciation. The property is called translucence and the object that have the property of translucence is called translucent. Okay. Now what
Ma'am,
is
number
next?
7 will be opaque.
The materials through which we cannot see. Opaque. This is very easy, right?
Yes,
This is
ma'am,
very
opaque.
easy. So,
Ma'am, it's too easy.
opaque. Okay. Have you all written this? Now across part is complete.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will do which part? We will do down.
Down.
Number 2, materials which are difficult to compress.
Hardness. Ma'am, hardness.
Can you the number 6 one?
Okay, let's see. We will do it. Number 6, down, right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, because my net was cut.
Hardness. N-E-S-S. Okay. Hardness.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
one will be hardness. Now next. Number 4. Materials can be classified on the basis of the shape.
Texture.
Number 4. Let's see if texture fits into these boxes or not.
Yes,
Answer is
ma'am.
text.
It will
Fix.
Yes, ma'am. It fits.
Yes. So the answer is texture.
Texture.
Now, number 6, materials that do not allow electric current to pass through them.
Insulators.
Insulators. They are bad conductors of heat. Bad conductors of electricity.
How many will give us egg? TU ma'am, TU
SU, insulators. INSULATORS. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Now the last one. The property of a material to float or sink.
Flotation.
Flotation.
Ma'am,
This is also very
flotation.
easy. Yes,
Ma'am,
so write
flotation.
flotation.
Ma'am, one box are not fitted.
Which one?
And this one in this flotation. Flotations. Yes.
Yes, then we will write flotations. Very good, very nice idea. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
So we will just write flotations. Okay, flotations. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
complete. If you
Okay,
write,
now
I am
I
writing
do.
one by one. I am writing one by one as I have less space here. But if you write all together, you will see how the across and down words, they just support each other, like hardness. Here you can see ace of hard. Here you can see ace of hardness will also help to make luster,
Last year.
like this. And
Yes,
E
ma'am.
of luster will also help to write texture, right? Like
Yes,
this. So when you will write all the words together, you will see this is how each word will help the other word to be made. Or
Ma'am, opaque and that 5, that translucent is help that 6 one.
yes, insulator,
Insulator.
like this one. See, here it will be insulator. So here it will be translucent. Trans, then I'm not writing the rest of the one. Insulator.
Opaque is helping.
Here you can see I'm not writing the next part. Opaque. See, this is how all the words are connected to each other. Okay, by the alphabets. So these crosswords are very interesting thing to do. So many other crosswords. You can also try it with not only with science. In newspapers and magazines, you can see so many about general knowledge from the GK portion. You will get in your GK book also. You will get some of these crosswords, right?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Assalamualaikum.
Ma'am, in newspaper I have
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will write. Okay. So open your copy. We will write the question answers now. Can you all see the whiteboard?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Wait.
No, ma'am.
Now you should see it.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Only sensitive standards has started soon. Yes, ma'am. Now
Now, ma'am, I can now I can
Okay, at the top of the page, you should write what you will write at the top of the page first. Today's date, okay? You should start writing always with the date. So write today's date first. And then the chapter number.
And you will also send this.
No, I will not send it. You write. If I send it,
And I will
you will not
write.
write. So quickly tell me what is the chapter number? 4?
Yes, ma'am.
4. Right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now let's write D1 exercise. We are writing just D1. Okay, what is the question? Name any 3 objects having rough surface. Tell me quickly. Tell me any 3 objects.
And bark of the rock
and paper.
Write the names of 3 objects.
only write the answers.
Yes, write the answers in your copy. The names of 3 objects having rough surface. Yes, tell it.
Ma'am, the bark of tree, rock, and paper
And today I am 2 hands.
I can't hear you. I can't hear anything that you are telling. Maybe due to network problem, but I can't hear it. Okay. So, right, students, the name of 3 objects having rough surface are
Today I'm too hungry.
sandpaper, then stone or rock you can write, and
Bark of tree.
yes. Anything else? Anything else? You can say these 3 are written in your book, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Anything else? Do you have any
Glass.
other? Glass tumbler is smooth, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
You
chair.
can write bark of tree, but this is given in your book. You should also think that what are the other rough surfaces that you have in your surrounding. Okay.
Ma'am, table. Ma'am, table.
Generally, table is smooth. The top surface of the table are smooth. Okay. So let's see what is the next question. Number 2.
Cement
Right.
road. First one we can write cement road.
Yes, they are not always smooth. Sometimes they are smooth and sometimes they are also rough. Yes, you can write. So now we will have to write a short note on texture.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes. Right. When we will make it a little bit short, okay? As what is written in your book, we will write a little bit shorter than that. So write, because this portion of question answer is short type question answer. Maximum 2 marks will be there. So no need to write in detailed form. So write, when we touch any object, we can feel its texture. We can feel its texture. They may be rough, like sandpaper, or smooth, like tell me one example.
Ma'am, like
Glass tumbler.
Glass tumbler.
like
Okay.
glass tumbler.
Like glass tumbler.
Glass tumbler. Ma'am, that will be also on table.
Ma'am, like ball.
Yes. Yes, the ball also, the surface of ball. Anything can be written.
Ma'am, chair.
Okay. So material. So you should write now.
One page.
Right. The rough objects have surfaces that are uneven and bumpy. That are uneven and bumpy. That means somewhere they are flat, and somewhere in some places they are a little bit raised. So they are uneven and bumpy. So materials can be classified on the basis of their texture. So
Yes.
materials can be classified.
Ma'am, this is too big. Ma'am, there is written in big.
Yes. Tell it again.
And the question is too long.
The question is write a short note on texture, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so write up to these materials can be classified on the basis of their texture. That's it. Okay,
Ma'am, up to this.
up to this, yes.
I'm complete.
Giving you 1 minute. Finish your writing.
Ma'am, I also complete. Ma'am, I also complete.
And don't.
What happened?
No material can be classified on the basis of.
Mine also complete.
Then the noises are coming.
So complete. I'm just stopping sharing the screen.